So Anak Krakatau had a large-scale flank collapse, as you can see right here. So this is the south and southwest side. So the southwest side of the volcano, which is here, has collapsed. I mean, look at this. This is the whole island right now. This is what it was. This is what it looked like here. Literally, almost the entire volcano just collapsed. I mean, look at this. I would say at least, I would say, I had a, let's draw a line right through the crater right here. Gone, like gone. The crater, it's gone. All this is gone. Like, I think this is the, let me see. This is more of a sharp cutoff right here, so I would say this is more of a gradual decrease. I would say gradual. So all you're gonna see now, it's gonna look so much different now. I don't even know what it's gonna look like now. The new video even shows what it looks like. I mean, most of the mountain has collapsed into the sea, so yeah. That's probably the crater now. I mean, the whole thing just collapsed into the sea. It's been building for over 70 years of just building itself up, and everything just fell into the sea today. I mean, the other day, yesterday, it fell into the sea. Yesterday morning, 36 hours ago, and now it's all gone. Most of the volcano is gone, and it's still erupting. In fact, looking at the Himiwari satellite right now, I have to move this up about 20 minutes later. Let's see. Is it still erupting? I believe it still is. Yep. Oh goodness. It's still erupting and has ash going all the way up to here. But yeah, almost the entire volcano collapsed, and I believe that is why it's erupting so violently now, because of magma interacting with water. Yes, that is why it's doing this. This is basically hydromagmatic eruptions. Because magmatic. Yep, that's what's occurring right now. It's a hydromagmatic explosion. Series of hydromagmatic explosions. Also other trapped gases that interact with water. So yeah, you have that. But I think most of the reason is the water being flashed right into steam, being flashed into water vapor, which is causing the explosion. Because in fact, a large reason for the eruption of the Thera volcano, oh my God, so eruption. An eruption, a large part of it was also hydromagmatic. See? Plinian, hydromagmatic. This is exactly what it looks like. Look at this. Surtsean eruptions, where magma or lava interact explosively with water. Look at this. Doesn't Krakatoa almost seem to be erupting this way right now? I mean, a little more, with oomph, but definitely because Surtsey was more of a basalt, while Krakatoa is more andesite, which is more explosive. Erratic eruptions. Hydrothermal, no. Steam can. No, it was not a erratic event. In fact, hydromagmatic is more, I think, more correct. Let's go to the Thera eruption again, right here. Because it had stages of eruption too. Sequence right here. Right here, look. And then 7 meters of pumice and ash, which pumice means it was not hydromagmatic, but it was driven by pressure inside the volcano. It was definitely a 7. Plinian. Wow. Violent steam eruption. Yeah, in addition, the magma underlying the volcano came into contact with a shallow marine embayment, resulting in a violent steam eruption. The eruption also generated a 35 to 150 meter high tsunami, devastated the north coast of Crete. Wow. So this could definitely happen to Krakatoa. You don't always need pressure. You could just have that. That's Krakatoa and Santorini have the same type of magma. I mean, I don't know if Krakatoa right now is having a Plinian eruption, but it's pretty close to having a Plinian eruption at the moment. I mean, definitely is erupting. It's erupting extensively, and it's already killed over 220 people. Possibly as much as 300 may be dead because there's still hundreds missing. This is unbelievable. I mean, Krakatoa killed 36,000 people when it erupted in 1883. Actually, I would say more than, I would say 50,000, maybe even 100,000 people because of global impact. And it's still erupting. And I would say the ash plume extends out, I would say, to about this area here. So all this is ash right here. That could be SO2 possibly, I'm not sure. Because this has been going. This is going back 3 hours now. Because the ash plume is going this way. Let's see what's here. Because this is what the ash plume is moving basically west to east. So right now, I think Krakatoa is definitely in a major eruption phase. Yeah, it definitely collapsed. Because look where the magma is coming out of. Okay. Yep, it definitely collapsed. This is where the crater would have been. It really did collapse into the sea. It really collapsed. Krakatoa really collapsed into the sea. Yeah, most of the volcano did really collapse. I mean, this is as of earlier today, showing this video. Yep. Yeah, so it's definitely still erupting, and looking at it, it's still it just has not stopped erupting. In fact, looking at right now, it's still erupting. In fact, I'm gonna go to Twitter right now, see what's going on with the volcano, see if there's like visible satellite. Okay, so now we're looking at it right now. See if there's any new information on Krakatoa. Yep, look at that. Oh, Surtsean activity. Yeah. See the lightning here, and that's the ash cloud there. In fact, this looks very much like a Surtsean type eruption. Let's see. Surtsean eruption. In fact, let's see. Let's look. Now let's look at it here. See the similarities? Almost looks exactly alike. Surtsean eruption. Krakatoa is having a Surtsean eruption right now. This is not Plinian, this is Surtsean. In fact, because look how it was erupting before. It had a flank collapse. In fact, look at this. Look how it was erupting just a few weeks ago. With lava flows, Strombolian activity. As you can see, not Plinian at all. This, had it not been for this flank collapse, it would probably still be erupting this way. In fact, just a few hours before it erupted so violently, this is how it was erupting. Same way it has been doing for this continuous time. So what we're dealing with right now is Surtsean activity from the volcano because it collapsed into the sea. It will continue until the magma supply to the volcano stops, or until a new crater comes out of the sea and interaction with the water stops. That is why Krakatoa is not having such violent eruptions. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.